Welcome back to the MotorMax channel. Today we're diving into one of the most anticipated releases for 2025, the Yamaha MT-10 Fazer. This monster of a naked bike brings power, tech, and aggressive styling to the streets. Let's break it down. The sharp, angular lines give it that aggressive, beastly look, while the updated headlamp and wide stance really set it apart from its competitors. Yamaha's signature front end is bold, and the overall silhouette screams performance. The 2025 MT-10 Fazer comes equipped with a 998cc inline-4 engine, derived from the R1, delivering a monstrous 160 horsepower. Whether you're carving through city streets or hitting the open road, this bike's got the grunt to take you there fast. With its quick throttle response, you can feel the power surge beneath. The MT-10 Fazer features a fully digital TFT display with customizable settings, so you get all your riding data at a glance. Plus, the bike is equipped with ride modes, lean-sensitive traction control, and a quick shifter for smoother, faster gear changes. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a beginner, this tech allows you to tailor your experience. It's built with a lightweight aluminum frame that improves handling and agility without sacrificing stability. The suspension has been tuned for precise feedback, so it feels right at home whether you're navigating tight corners or cruising on highways. And with its upright riding position, this bike ensures comfort on long rides too. The bike comes equipped with top-tier brakes from Brembo, offering incredible stopping power, paired with the latest electronic aids like ABS and cornering stability. It's confidence-inspiring on any road. So, there you have it, the 2025 Yamaha MT-10 Fazer, a bike that blends raw power, cutting-edge tech, and stunning design. Whether you're looking for an adrenaline rush on twisty roads or just a stylish bike that can do it all, the MT-10 Fazer is ready to take you there. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates and reviews. Until next time, ride safe.